My name is Adil Abdullah. I am from Sudan. I want to speak about the different culture in my country, Sudan. Sudan, located in northeastern Africa, is a big country. I think before it's the first country in Africa, but now separated to two countries.
If you are going against the Taliban, so it's danger for you. They will kill you. Maybe they will finish you. Nobody knows when someone is going against the Taliban. Then that person, you can see, maybe they will kill him, and maybe you will don't know where is he. He will be gone. Nobody will see him again. The UK police came in ocean. They took from a small boat. As in a small, and the small boat was 9 meters, and we were 55 per people in that boat. Then they took us from that boat, and they bring us to the camp. The camp was really kind. There was really kind people.
Hello guys, my name is John Rolakot. I'm from South Sudan. I left my country in 2016 when the second civil war broke out. And now I'm in fact, and I'm so happy. Yeah, this is the story. This is the all of my story. Came for a while and they say things are not going well and there is no transfer. So after he, thank God, so he got his documents and got his work permission.
شكرا على الانبتاع.
And thank you so much.
مع السلامة.